Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video about how to time the market when everything appears to be near all-time highs. I'll probably do a longer video on this topic because it merits a longer video, but I wanted to throw something out there real quick. I have a watch list that you can actually download for your own personal use. I keep it in my Google Drive and it's open to the public, so you can go ahead and download that template, add columns to it, modify it however you see fit. But it's not exactly rocket science and it's probably something you already are doing. So what I would do is basically highlight a lot of stocks that I not necessarily like, but that I want to keep tabs on. The next step is to sort by stocks that are near their 52-week lows. And right away, we see some interesting companies. Companies whose market caps are in the billions. So right off the bat, I'm interested in ASML and Lam Research. Being in the semiconductor space, I've been doing this for a while and I've noticed that Nike and Etsy seem to be stuck near their 52-week lows, so just something I want to point out. If we go to Lam Research and expand the chart, it appears that we can draw a resistance line, and the last time it was this low was about November 2023, basically last year. You want to be careful trying to catch a falling knife, but if you think this could bounce back, could be a good purchase. I haven't done a lot of due diligence on this stock yet, so I can't recommend it necessarily, but I do know that among its competitors, they are considered best in class when it comes to the etch line of business within the semiconductor industry. So this stock might be one that you want to research, and if you want to get it at an even better price, you might want to consider selling puts here. But I'm generally trying to get away from you should consider buying this stock sort of videos. So let me know in the comments if you appreciate this content and want me to keep doing it, and we'll see where it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. And remember, links to my investor watch list are in the description for you to use and save to your own drive if you like. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.